Once upon a time, in Emperor Akbar's grand court, the wise minister Birbal was known for his wit and intelligence. One day, Akbar decided to test him with a tricky question. Birbal, tell me, what is the most powerful thing in the world? Your Majesty, give me a day's time to think, and I'll have your answer. Very well, Birbal, I'll be waiting. That evening, Birbal watched how people spoke to each other, how kind words brought smiles and harsh words brought tears. The next morning, he went back to court with confidence. So, Birbal, what is the most powerful thing in the world? Your Majesty, it is the tongue. The tongue, not swords or armies? Birbal, no, Emperor. A sword can only harm the body, but the tongue can hurt hearts, destroy friendships, or bring peace and happiness. Words have the power to start wars, or to end them. Birbal, once again you've shown great wisdom. Truly, words are the most powerful force in the world. From that day on, Akbar became more careful with his words, and so did everyone in the royal court. Remember, your words can be swords or flowers. Choose them wisely. Moral: words have power. Use them to heal, not to hurt.